The bedroom is the perfect place to relax and rest. For this reason, it is important to furnish this environment by creating an atmosphere that reflects you in every nuance, including modern style. And modern wardrobe bedroom design is one way you can do for this purpose. In the modern spaces, we need space-saving cabinets that make the most of small spaces. These cabinets have plenty of storage space and can also be stored against the walls. Use the cabinets in a way that makes it look aesthetically pleasing as well. Another modern invention in furniture is the modular bedroom closets, which are special as they can be changed according to your needs. These usually consist of parts that can be joined together to form larger parts, or vice versa. Pick a generic model, then make it unique to your liking. Wardrobe design for bedrooms in general is rectangular in shapes with different types. There can be drawers in a closet, or a closet can be used as an open shelf. Wardrobe for bedroom can be stylized depending on the taste and view of the room. It is important to synchronize the furniture setting with the decor of the room. If it isn't done, the space will seem disorganized and haywire. The minimalist bedroom closet design also looks great in the bedrooms. That means using a minimal amount of furniture to give the room a spacious look. The cabinets are usually wide and have light colors on them to give the feeling of extra space.